The advance in aviation helped to speed the transfer of information around the nation. In the early 20th century, Orville and Wilbur Wright, bicycle manufacturers from Dayton, Ohio, experimented with engines powerful enough to keep planes aloft. After 4 years of work, including thousands of glider flights, Orville and Wilbur Wright created their first successful airplane called the Flyer. Made mostly from wood and cloth and powered by a 12 horsepower engine. The plane had a control system that allowed the pilot to maintain wind balance during flight. Near Kitty Hawk, South Carolina on December 19, 1903, Wilbur Wright piloted the Flyer in a 12-second, 120-foot flight, thus becoming the first person to successfully fly an engine-driven, heavier-than-air machine. As the Wrights continued their experiment, they made longer and longer flights. Within 2 years, the brothers were making 30-minute flights. By 1908, the pioneer aviators had signed a contract for production of the Wright airplane with the U.S. Army.